Fresh after the first ever Emmy Award nominations for content not made for TV or cable with House of Cards, Netflix kicks off after-hours earnings reports. The internet streaming service beat higher profit forecasts, but more importantly, subscriber growth was not as strong as Wall Street predicted. Guidance was also weak. The stock down ahead of the earnings and sank further on those customer numbers. The other notable earnings of the day, McDonald's, the world's biggest restaurant chain, missed earnings forecast as sales in Europe fall for the third straight quarter. Same-store sales barely up in the U.S. as competition from Wendy's and Burger King eat away at McDonald's lead. In other corporate news, changes on the board of directors at Yahoo, activist investor Dan Loeb and two of his colleagues exiting the board, and Loeb is selling 2/3 of his stake back to Yahoo. Loeb was responsible for shaking up the internet company and bringing in CEO Marissa Mayer. Reuters Breakingviews columnist Rob Siren wonders how this will impact Yahoo's turnaround.
Without the three directors from Loeb, you've kind of reduced a bit of the discipline on the company. Will Yahoo go out and start buying more companies like Tumblr, revenue-free sites for very large amounts? My guess is, the chances have gone up.
Investors seem to have the same interpretation, sending shares down more than 4%. On the economic front, sales of previously owned homes backslid for the first time in 3 months, but prices jumped to a 5-year high. Wall Street liked the numbers, nudging the S&P 500 to a record high. Blue chips were subdued due to McDonald's, but tech stocks rebounded from last week's beatdown. In Europe, Swiss bank UBS surprised investors with a better-than-expected early earnings release. The surprise, however, fell flat in Germany and the UK. France ended modestly higher.